Welcome to our guide on using presentation software at a basic level. We'll cover essential skills like creating, editing, and presenting slides, which are crucial for delivering clear and structured presentations. To start, users can create a new slide deck by opening a blank presentation and adding slides. For instance, you might begin a new PowerPoint to craft a compelling sales pitch. Adding text and images is straightforward. Users can type directly onto slides and drag and drop images, such as inserting a title and a company logo on the first slide. Basic formatting enhances the visual appeal of your presentation. Adjusting fonts and aligning text, like increasing heading font sizes, can significantly improve readability. Predefined slide templates are a great tool for organizing content without design expertise. You can select templates with placeholders for text and images to streamline your process. Transitions between slides add a professional touch. Simple transitions like a fade effect can make your presentation flow more smoothly and keep your audience engaged. Presenting your slide deck is the final step. Use slideshow mode to view and present your slides full screen, ensuring your audience sees your content clearly during meetings. In conclusion, mastering basic presentation software skills, such as adding content and simple formatting, empowers you to create and deliver structured presentations effectively. Thank you for joining us in this learning journey.